Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your friends playlist on Spotify. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open your Spotify application, and after you have opened your Spotify application, you can click on the setting icon on the top right, and here you need to select a view profile. This is my profile on Spotify, and we have to open it, and here you will be able to find your followers and following list. And I'm going to find my friends playlist in this following list, for example, because I don't have followers. Okay, and I'm going to find this account playlist, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, and this is the playlist of this account, and if we want to find all playlists, we can click on see all playlists, and you will be able to track the playlist one by one like this, and you will be able to follow the playlist as well. Alright guys, and that's all the way to find our friends playlist on Spotify. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.